It's Crazy for Ponies 3, and today we're going to be eating warheads for you, and these are like these really sour candies. And so this is my cousin Abby. Hello. And yeah, so we're gonna go eat them. So I'm gonna turn it over to Jade. Make sure you can see our faces, okay? Through them.
Hi.
So on the count of 3, we're gonna.
They're opening the warheads.
Wait, we should probably get water. Oh well. There's water in the fridge.
They're opening up their warheads.
Okay. No one say where we are, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Abby.
Not bad. 1, 2, 3.
They just ate the warheads and all they're doing is making faces. Never mind.
I'm gonna puke.
Bye, Loren. Alright guys, that was the video.
Okay, it got better.
Alright, we're almost done. The video's not over.
Oh my god. Miss Middleton in the flesh. I got better. Okay, so yeah. Those were those disgusting things, and I just went into the bathroom and yeah, still have her head. You're just a freak. You're not normal. Okay, so yeah, bye.